Hello everyone. Today we will make cream caramel. It's my favorite dessert. If it's your favorite dessert as me, please write it in a comment and leave a like. Now I make cream caramel. First step is pour the contents of caramel sauce bag, a large mold or four small molds. I put it in three pools, just three pools because we are three actually. Um, Caramel sauce has delicious taste. It is so good. Now I am trying to equal distributions. The second step is add the powder mixed to 2 cups of milk or half liter and stir to dissolve. I am trying to dissolve it. I mix it well. Please don't forget like and your subscribe, comment and share because it's will support me. Now I am mixing and also mixing. Now it's the third step. Heat for 3 minutes with constantly stirring till it pooling. Now you can see stirring again. Now it's pooling. So I will remove it from the heat. Now I am equal distribution. To make it has a good shape. My lovely sauce. Now the first step. Pour into mold over caramel sauce. Allow it to cool entirely. Remove from mold and serve. It's a stem. It's so good. It's amazing. I feel I can smell it. Now I will put it in freezer. I am going to turn upside down for it. It have amazing shape. Wow, it's very very good. Oh, it's so amazing, and it's just make me hungry. Now I am adding more sauce. I am going to taste it. It's very very amazing. Wow. I forget the place of camera. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, please, and bye.